friends, it's Liz with Liz Attempts Budgets, and today is another penny challenge update. So I am going to organize the cash and change, and I will be back to count it with you. I do need my calculator for that, so I will be right back. Okay, I am back, and let's go ahead and count up what we have going on here. I am going to want a piece of scrap paper so I can write down my total. So there's 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 in dollar bills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in quarters. There's 50, 60, 70, 80, 95. So 95 at 96 cents. So $30.96. Need to write that down just in case. I have been known to accidentally clear out the calendar and then have to quit the video and go figure out what I did after the change was all put away. So I've gotten smart, a little smarter, and I try to write it down. Okay, so it's actually a lot of change, and my entire wallet it's been getting jumbled really bad the last couple of weeks. So okay, $30.96. We are starting with a new row. Let's do it this way. Let me see if I can get you scooched in to where you can actually see the entire thing, unlike last week where I cut off the calculator. Okay, there's not much of a glare. Okay, here we go. We are starting with $2.73. All right. Minus 2.72. Minus 2.71. Minus 2.70. Minus 2.69. Minus 2.68. Minus 2.67. Minus 2.66. Minus 2.65. Oh, wow. I didn't even really think about it when we started this row, but we actually are going to start on a new row above it. So I'm going to grab the next marker in our series. I don't know what I'm doing there. I'm just changing colors and trying to go in a pattern. So 675 minus 2.64. Is that right? No, I messed up. I will be right back. Okay, I am back. We were at 6.75. We are minus 2.64. Okay. Minus 2.63. All right, and that as far as we're going to get with this row. However, we do have a random amount we need to fill in. We shall flip over, see if $1.48 is available, and it is. So we're going to go ahead and mark that in. That is going to be everything for the penny challenge this week, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for being here with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.